The Buddha nature inherent in us, ordinary people, and the mystic law that is the enlightenment of all Buddhas are one and identical. This principle is called Nam-myoho-renge-kyo. When we revere Nam-myoho-renge-kyo inherent in our own life, the Buddha nature within us is summoned forth and manifested by our chanting of Nam-myoho-renge-kyo. This is what is meant by Buddha. To illustrate, when a caged bird sings, birds who are flying in the sky are thereby summoned and gather round. And when the birds flying in the sky gather round, the bird in the cage strives to get out. When with our mouths we chant the mystic law, our Buddha nature being summoned will invariably emerge.